Hello everyone, this is Vivian. I'll be explaining to you the fifth experiment in our database lab today. So the fifth experiment is all about views and subqueries. So a view is basically a virtual table based on the result set of a SQL statement, and it's basically to restrict access. So let's take a look at our questions, what we have in the subqueries. Okay, here's our first question. Create a view customer based on customer ID name from customer table. Change the heading of city displayed as customer city, display contents of the customer. Okay, so basically this is the query we should enter for this question. Create view customer underscore view as select customer underscore ID, customer name, city, customer city from customer. So that's done for the first question. So this is the output which you should get. It basically create the view. And now the second question, select the view name text from the user views data dictionary view. Okay, so this is a simple query. Select view underscore name text from user view. So this is the output you should get. Yeah, this is the output. Okay, next question, question 3. Using customer underscore view, enter query to display all customer names and customer city. Okay, so the query should select customer underscore name, customer city from customer view. So this is the output which you should get to display. Okay, moving on to the next question. Create a view name CA underscore VU that contains customer ID, customer names, and customer address for all customers in city CA. Display the structure and contents of CA VU view. So this is the query. Create view CA underscore VU as select customer underscore ID, customer name, city, customer address, postal code from. I should spell properly. From customer where state is equal to CA. So you should get this output over here. It's a very simple query as well. Okay, moving on to the next question. Attempt to reassign Mary Smith to the city entity in the CA view. Is the view updatable? If yes, the updation reflected in the base table. Okay, this is the query you should enter. Update C underscore view set customer underscore address equal NT where customer underscore name is equal to Mary Smith. This is the output you should get, and it should get updated. Okay, next question. Question 6. Create view V1 to display customer name, order ID and quantity. Create a view V2 to display order ID, order date, and the date of delivery. Create a view V3 with customer name, order ID, and order date from V1 and V2. So this is the query. Create view v3 as select v.customer underscore name, comma v.order underscore id, comma v2.order underscore date from vu1 v, comma vu2 v2, where v.order id is equal to v.order underscore id. So you should get the output as such. View created, and this is the output which should be displayed. Okay, moving on to next question. Display the latest 10 orders. Okay, so this query you should enter. Select row num, comma order underscore ID, order underscore date from. Select order underscore ID, comma order underscore date from orders, order by, order underscore ID DESC, which means descending, where row num is less than equal to 10. So this will give you the latest 10 orders, and see this output should be displayed. Okay, next question. List the 2 order ID with least order quantity. Okay, so this is the query you should enter. Select row num as order ID, order underscore quantity from. Select order ID, ordered quantity from order line, order by ordered quantity ASC, so it's in ascending order, where row num is less than equal to 2. So this will give you the least order. So the 2 order ID and order quantity will be displayed. Next question. Find the IDs of customers who have ordered for a cherry or red oak finish. So this is the query. Select customer ID from orders where order underscore ID in bracket select order underscore ID from order line where product underscore ID is equal to any, and another bracket select product ID from product where product finish is equal to cherry or product finish is equal to red oak. So this will give you the list of IDs who have ordered cherry or red oak. So this will give you the output as such. So 8 rows are selected and this will be displayed. Okay, next question. Find the IDs of customers who have ordered for the product table lamp, and it mentions use in. So this is the query. Select customer ID from orders where order ID in bracket, then select order as ID from order line where product description is equal to table lamp. So this will give you the output. Yep. So next question, find the details of customers who have ordered for product ID 1000. Use exists. So we have to use exists for this query. So select star from customer where customer ID in. Select customer ID from orders where order ID in. Select order underscore ID from order line where product ID is equal to any. Select product ID from order line where product ID is equal to 1000. So this will give you the required output for this query. Okay, next question. Find suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some supply called S3. Okay, we have to use any over here. So this is the query. Select S underscore name, comma, some quantity from suppliers grouped by S underscore name having some quantity which is greater than. Select quantity from suppliers where S underscore name is equal to AAA. So for that, this output will be displayed. Okay, moving on to the next question. Find the supplier with the highest rating using all. So this one, when highest rating, we have to use the keyword max rating. So the query entered is as such. Select S underscore name from suppliers where rating is equal to all. In the bracket you have to put select max rating from suppliers. So this will give you the required output. Next question. Display the products that are same as the product ordered by category. So this is the query you should enter. Select distinct product underscore description from product where product ID in. Select product ID from order line where order ID in bracket. Select order ID from orders where customer ID again in. Select customer ID from customer where customer name is equal to category. So this will give you the required output for this question. Okay, I believe this is the last question. Display the supply details of supplied quantity is greater than the quantity of ordered ID 103. So this is the query you should enter. Select S dot S underscore name, comma S underscore ID, S rating from suppliers where S the product underscore ID is equal to select OQ dot product ID from order line, OQ where O dot order underscore ID is equal to 103, and as the quantity is greater than OQ dot ordered quantity. Oh, we have another question. Display the ordered quantity of the orders whose ordered date is greater than the ordered date of the order ID 106. So this is the query. Select OL dot ordered quantity from order line order line OL where OL dot order ID is equal to any. Bracket you should put select O dot order ID from orders O where O dot order underscore date is greater than select O dot order date from orders O where O dot customer ID is equal to 106. So for these last two questions, no rows have been selected. So those are the outputs for this questions. So that's it. Thank you.